Ever pondered over the question, what makes artificial intelligence so revolutionary? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer a concept restricted to science fiction. Today, it permeates our everyday lives, from voice assistants like Siri or Alexa to predictive algorithms on Netflix and Spotify, and even autonomous vehicles. AI Mastery and Prosperity is here to demystify this complex world of artificial intelligence. We are committed to bringing you comprehensive and engaging content that breaks down complex AI concepts into digestible, understandable nuggets of wisdom. From the basics of machine learning to the intricacies of deep learning, natural language processing to computer vision, we cover a wide array of topics. Our aim? To make AI accessible and understandable to everyone, irrespective of your prior knowledge or experience. But we don't just stop at education. We believe in the power of AI to transform not just our lives, but also our livelihoods. As AI continues to disrupt industries and create new opportunities, we're here to guide you on how to leverage this cutting-edge technology for your financial success. We're not just a channel, we're a community of curious minds, of innovators, of thought leaders, a community that believes in the power of AI to shape a brighter, more prosperous future. So, are you ready to unlock the power of AI? To master it? To prosper from it? Hit that subscribe button now. Join us on this journey of discovery and growth. Together, we can demystify AI, master its potential, and shape a future that's not just smarter, but also more prosperous. This is AI Mastery and Prosperity. Learn with AI, earn with AI. Welcome to the future.